Okay, this video is in section 8.4, and it's on multiplying rational expressions. And this video is only going to be rational expressions that have only monomials in them. So there's only one term in the numerator, and that's here and here, numerator for both, and in the denominator for both, okay? The strategy here is a little bit different. You don't have to factor monomials if there's only one term before you can cancel. And there's some different strategies you can use, but I find it helpful to first just cancel any coefficients I can. So here I've got a 6 that factors evenly into an 18 with 3 left over. And I have a 2 that can factor into 10 with 5 left over. And I find it confusing, although you can, to start canceling out the variables. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite the whole numerator and multiply the numerator together. So up top now, I've got 5. I've got x squared times x to the 3rd that are both up top. That makes x to the 5th. And I've got y to the 3rd times y to the 4th up top. Y to the 3rd times y to the 4th. Add those exponents, because I'm multiplying, makes y to the 7th. On the bottom, I've got an x squared. And I've got y squared times y squared. Add those exponents, becomes y to the 4th. I'm not done yet. I'm not done until there are no common bases in this problem. So up top I still have a 5. There's no coefficients that can be simplified here. I'm going to take a look at my same bases, my x's. Now I've got one on the top, one on the bottom. I can divide, which means I'm going to subtract those exponents. So that becomes x to the 3rd. And then my y's, y to the 7th divided by y to the 4th, is y to the 3rd. Subtract the exponents. Now, for this problem, everything on the bottom canceled. So we've got an understood 1. But I say it's understood, that means you don't have to write it, and you shouldn't. In simplified form, anything divided by itself, or anything divided by 1 is itself, I should say. So that's my final answer, 5x to the 3rd, y to the 3rd. Next problem. Again, I would recommend that you pause the video, see if you can try this by yourself, and then check your work with mine. Okay, so in this problem I have 9 goes evenly into 27 3 times. And I've got 3 goes into 12. Now, I could use either this 3 or this 3. It doesn't matter. Anything on the bottom can cancel with something on the top. So 3 goes into 12 4 times. I'm going to multiply everything that's left up top. I've got 4. I've got x to the 3rd times x to the 4th up top makes x to the 7th. I've got y times y to the 5th up top makes y to the 6th. Add the exponents. On the bottom, I've got a 3. This 3, okay. I've got x to the 2nd times no x on the other one, so just x to the 2nd. And then I've got a y to the 3rd times y to the 2nd. Add those exponents, becomes y to the 5th. All right, now, one more step to the final answer. 4/3 cannot be simplified, so I'm going to leave a 4 on the top and a 3 on the bottom. X to the 7th divided by x to the 2nd, subtract the exponents, is x to the 5th. And then y to the 6th divided by y to the 5th, subtract the exponents, is y to the 1st. Okay, that's it.